everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and I am back today to review a couple of products for you guys and introduce you guys to a new small business. Now it's kind of new, kind of not new. It's not new to me, but it's new to you guys. So I am a brand ambassador for this company, and the company goes by the name of SHIMMERINGCHIC. So I do want to thank Abby again for picking me as one of her brand ambassadors. I'll be sure to leave all the information down below in the description box so you guys can head over to the website, check it out. And if you guys see anything that you might like, I have a code for you guys to use to save some coins. So enough about that, let's go ahead and jump into the video. So again, this company is SHIMMERINGCHIC Cosmetics. I'm screen recording the website so you guys can see, but this girl Abby, she started it up, and I've had something, I bought something from her before, I think about 2 years ago. 2 years ago, or may have been last year, I don't remember. But basically, SHIMMERINGCHIC Cosmetics is an all vegan, glamorous, and shimmer makeup line. All of the product collection below is handcrafted by yours truly, Abby. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Her goal is to make a product for every chick, no matter the skin tone, the complexion, or the skin type. I keep saying SHIMMERINGCHIC. I'm not too sure which one it is, but it's okay. So she has a couple of products. I have 3 products that I got from her, so I definitely will let you guys know. But she have lip liner, she has a lip balm, she has eyebrow pomade, lip gloss, I think a lip scrub, a lip tint, setting spray, shimmer powder, and a shimmer liquid highlighter. So before I get started, she did send me a little note. It says, Lindsay, thank you so much for accepting the offer to promote my brand and for becoming a brand ambassador. As a special thank you, I included 3 of the selected items on your wish list and also generated a discount code for your post. So I will leave the code down below in the description box, and I will also put it in a comment and pin that comment. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, of course, I will always post my discount code for you guys. So this is how the little packaging looks. Of course, it came in like a gold, you know, that gold foil bag that some companies use to mail, but this is what she sent me. So there's 3 items in here, so this is super duper cute. So she provided me with a couple of business cards, very cute. So this is how the front looks. And then on the back, it has her social media. So again, this is a very small business. So she doesn't have a whole lot of products, but she has enough for like beginners or just people that just like lip gloss and all that stuff. So once again, I have 3 products. I have the SHIMMERINGCHIC lip gloss. This is the lip tint, and I think this is Kiss Me Pink. So with this one, I wasn't too sure which color I really wanted. I did apply this on my lips, and it actually like is super duper light. Super duper light. But it goes on smooth. And here is how it looks. It's really pretty. So I was gonna wear it today, but the look that I was going for, of course, as you guys can see, this is not it for this look. So I definitely would have to, I think this will look better for a more natural, subtle look. So we'll definitely try that, but it's really pretty. So next is the lip pencil. The lip pencil that I asked for is just pink. So it has the logo, and then it has the color at the end. And that's how the lip liner looks. The lip liner is super duper smooth and creamy, so I like that. And then this is the eyebrow pomade. I got the shade Chocolate. I wasn't too sure about it, but I did use it today. So this is how the packaging looks, and then it has the color on the back. So this color is Chocolate. Definitely looks chocolate. Now, I had a bad eyebrow thing going on today, so I redid my eyebrows like 3 or 4 times. So you will see a lot of dipping in here, okay? But that's because I had to redo my eyebrows. So this is how the pomade looks. It definitely is creamy. It went on super smooth. So you guys know, I usually use my Wet n Wild pencil to outline my brows, and I filled it in with the pomade. Like I said, I wasn't too sure about the color because it looks super light to me, but it worked out for me. Definitely worked out, so that's good. Now, I don't remember which each product costs, and I just looked at the website, but I will be sure to leave that information down below in the description box for you guys. So of course, before I end this video, I did say that I have a code for you guys in case you see anything on the website, and that code is LINDS20, as you guys see right here. So it's LINDS20. So make sure you guys check the description box below in case you didn't catch it on the screen, and of course I will pin it in the comments as well. But again, I do want to thank Abby for making me one of her brand ambassadors and allowing me to review her product. I definitely love that eyebrow pomade, so I'm definitely going to get some use out of that. So thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below, and of course share this video with your family and friends. If you are a new subscriber, welcome, and if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell so you're not missing a new upload from yours truly. Once again, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you in my next one.
Ryan Little.